before this tractor goes into the shop to be rebuilt, I thought it'd be kind of cool to show it in operation and moving under its own power from its storage in the stables to the rebuild of the shop. It fires right up, and it's really cool to drive. Our next steps are going to be to pull apart all the painted components and repaint it and restore it to factory new. This tractor here is a late model 8N, somewhere in the 1950 to 1952 range. So it has the side mount distributor, it has the proof meter, embossed logos, so kind of cool. It's a gasoline powered 30 horsepower engine, somewhere in the 6.5 compression range, and it was originally a 6-volt system, although it's currently running off 12 volts. Part of the upgrade to this system will actually be to remove the generator and install an alternator. Now, part of the problem was when I got it, the gasoline tank was contaminated, so it's running off a little tractor gasoline tank inside the battery compartment, and right at about this point, it runs out of gas. There's just a little bit of fumes in there, and so I stop and I shake the gas tank, get a little bit more in the float bowl, and that's the little bit of a break in the video right here. And it fires right up. It's nice once you have fuel, once you have spark, these things just go. So yeah, the next time we see this, hopefully it'll be a nice shiny as new tractor.